Hey there, it's Anna. Navigating the world of dating and relationships can sometimes feel like trying to read a complex code. Today, we are decoding a crucial part of that code, understanding the things that girls do when they like you. Whether you've just met her or recently started a relationship, there are telltale signs and behaviours that can give away her feelings. In this video, we will explore these subtle yet clear indicators, from the way she communicates to the small gestures that mean a lot. By the end of this video, you will be better equipped to recognize these signs and understand where you stand in her life. Be sure to watch till the end for a crucial bonus tip that will enrich your understanding of relationships. This tip could be a turning point in how you connect with her, so don't miss this invaluable insight. Overly concerned with your approval. Let's start with our first point. When a girl likes you, she may become overly concerned with gaining your approval or validation. This is a key sign of her interest. When a woman is interested in you, you might notice that she places a significant value on your opinions and reactions. This could manifest in various ways, such as her frequently seeking your thoughts on her decisions, being overly concerned about your reaction to her appearance, or adjusting her actions based on what she thinks you will approve of. It's a sign that she values your perspective highly and is keen to make a positive impression on you. Her need for your approval can be a subtle indication of her desire to be closer to you and to be seen favourably by you. To respond to this behaviour, it's important to be aware of the influence your opinions have on her. Offer your thoughts and validations genuinely and positively. If you notice she's overly concerned with your approval, you might want to reassure her that you appreciate her for who she is, not just for the things that she thinks you will like. Encourage her to be herself and make choices that reflect her own preferences and personality. This approach can help her feel more comfortable and secure in expressing her true self, fostering a more authentic connection. Documenting moments with you excessively. Now let's discuss a notable sign, her eagerness to document almost every moment spent with you through photos or videos. When a girl is really into you, she might show a keen interest in capturing and preserving memories of the times you spent together. This could involve taking numerous photos or videos during your outings or whenever you guys are together. It's her way of holding on to the moments that she cherishes with you, and often it's also a way of sharing her happiness about your relationship with her social circle. This behaviour indicates that she values the time spent with you and wants to keep a tangible record of these moments. To positively engage with this behaviour, you can participate in her enthusiasm for capturing memories, show willingness in being a part of her photos or videos, and maybe even initiate taking some yourself. This participation not only validates her desire to document these moments, but also helps in creating shared memories. However, it's also important to ensure that both of you are comfortable with what's being documented and shared. Balancing the capturing of moments with enjoying the present is key to creating a genuine and enjoyable experience together. Adopting your interests and hobbies. Next, let's explore another telltale sign, her taking a sudden interest in your hobbies and activities, often trying to participate in them. When a girl likes you, she may start showing interest in your hobbies and activities. This could manifest as her asking questions about your interests, suggesting that you do these activities together or even taking up the hobby herself. It's a way for her to find common ground with you and to share experiences that are important to you. This behaviour indicates that she's making an effort to understand and engage with your world, showing her desire to connect with you on a deeper level. Embrace her interest in your hobbies and activities as an opportunity to bond. You can share your passions with her, teach her the basics if she's new to the activity, or even explore new aspects of the hobby together. This shared experience can strengthen your connection and offer new ways to enjoy each other's company. However, it's also important to encourage her to maintain her individual interests. A healthy relationship involves a balance of shared activities and individual pursuits, ensuring that both partners can grow both together and independently. Copying your speech or phrases. Now, our next point delves into a subtle yet revealing behaviour, her adoption of your speech patterns or your phrases. It's an intriguing sign of her affinity towards you. One of the interesting ways that a girl shows she likes you is by starting to use your catchphrases or mimicking the way that you talk. This mirroring behaviour can be quite subconscious and is often a sign of rapport and connection. She might pick up on unique words that you use, your style of joking, or even your tone of speaking. It's a form of flattery, really, and an indication that she's paying close attention to you. This mimicry is a psychological phenomenon that helps in bonding and shows her interest in aligning herself with aspects of your personality. Notice these subtle changes in her speech and acknowledge them with a light-hearted comment or smile. This recognition can be a playful way to reinforce the connection that you're both building. However, it's also important to ensure the interaction remains comfortable and genuine. Encourage her to express her own unique personality too, as true connection thrives on the individuality of each person. By appreciating this behaviour while fostering mutual authenticity, you can deepen your bonds in a meaningful and respectful way. Before we move on, are you enjoying the video? If so, hit like and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to me and helps shapes the content that you will see. Rearranging her priorities for you. This next one can be a significant indication of interest. Observing her rearrange her priorities to accommodate your needs or requests. When a girl likes you, she may begin to shift her schedule and priorities in ways that allow her to spend more time with you or support your needs. This might involve her adjusting her plans to join you in activities, being more flexible with her time when you need her, or even putting your requests at a higher priority than she normally would. It's a sign of her commitment and willingness to invest in the relationship, showing that she values your presence and wants to be a supportive part of your life. While it's flattering to see someone make such adjustments for you, it's important to be considerate of her time and commitments. Acknowledge her efforts and express appreciation for her willingness to prioritize your relationship. At the same time, encourage a healthy balance. Remind her that her own priorities and interests are equally important. Ensuring that both of you maintain individual commitments and personal time is crucial for a balanced and healthy relationship. Mutual respect for each other's time and priorities fosters a supportive and understanding connection. Intense emotional reactions to your absence. Point 6 addresses a more profound aspect of her feelings. Intense emotional reactions to your absence, or when you miss an event or date. When a girl has strong feelings for you, her emotional response to your absence can be quite telling. You might notice that she becomes noticeably upset, disappointed, or even overly apologetic if you are unable to make it to a planned event or date. These reactions aren't just about the missed opportunity to spend time together. They also reflect the depth of her feelings for you. Her intense response is an indicator of just how much she values your presence and how significant your interactions are to her. In handling her emotional reactions, empathy and understanding are key. Acknowledge her feelings and express your regret for missing the event or date. Assure her that your absence doesn't diminish your interest or affection for her. It's important to communicate openly about any unavoidable circumstances, obviously, that lead to your absence, and to make efforts to reschedule or make up for that missed time. This approach shows that you value her feelings and are committed to the relationship. However, it's also vital to encourage a healthy emotional balance and understanding that occasional absences are just part of life. Bonus tip. An essential bonus tip following these points is understanding and responding to different attachment styles. Recognizing these styles can provide deeper insight into her behavior and help you navigate the relationship more effectively. So let's explore how understanding attachment styles can significantly improve your interactions and relationship dynamics. Attachment styles, developed early in life, influence how people behave in relationships. They can be secure, anxious, avoidant, or a combination. For instance, if she has an anxious attachment style, she might seek more reassurance and validation from you. Understanding her attachment style can help you respond in ways that meet her emotional needs and foster a stronger bond. It involves being empathetic to her insecurities, communicating openly, and providing consistent support. By recognizing and adapting to her attachment style, you can create a more secure and trusting relationship, reducing misunderstandings and deepening your emotional connection. Grasping attachment styles allows for a more tailored and empathetic approach to relationships. It enables you to respond to her actions and emotions in a way that aligns with her needs, creating a healthier and more satisfying relationship. This understanding is key to navigating emotional dynamics and building lasting, meaningful connections. After exploring the signs she likes you, your journey doesn't have to end. Why not check out the things that girls do to hit on you or delve into how to tell if a woman woman is thinking about you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.